This is a little demo of the Apple version of Speed Culture as of the October 15th, weekend of October 15th. I want to just make a quick little video and showing how this works. What we have is, I'm going to go ahead and minimize this, and you'll see Speed Culture app here on my phone. And you'll see at the top it has our logo, and there's a little wheel up there which I'll explain what that does. On the home page here, we're featuring stories and stuff that have come from the website. So like anything that's happening during the week or weekend, where we're going, the latest shows, whatever we want to feature from our website will actually be right here on this slider that you see. And then when you click on it, it'll actually go to that item, whether it's a video or it's a audio feed or anything like that, or maybe the page. So if I click on this 700 events, it shows you the information about that item. Down here at the bottom, I have every week we're going to be updating this this featured area. It's called a featured podcast area. Every week, our partner at Nostalgic Radio and Cars does a new interview with somebody on his radio show, and we're cutting those down to just the interviews that people want to hear. And this one here, again, this is an earlier version before it's actually available on Apple, but this is my test version. But you can actually play the video, or I'm sorry, the audio right within the phone, right within the app. So you'll see here at the bottom we have a bunch of different tabs here across the bottom, and I'll go ahead and click on some of these are ready to use right now. You'll see that I've clicked on an actual event here, and you'll see that right now it's showing all these different events based on date. You'll see it shows how far away it is. You'll see the miles. It says 83 miles. It says 29 miles there. So I can click on any one of these events, and it'll actually show me the information about the event. Gives me some information at the bottom there. I can share the event online, or not necessarily online, but through apps that are on my phone, like you see the Facebook one. I can message somebody. If I click on the message, it'll actually text the entire information about the event, where it is, and then there's a link to the full information on our website. We can also share it. If I go ahead and share it on Facebook, it'll actually open up Facebook, and it's going to show the information about the event right here on Facebook. I'm going to go ahead and hit cancel there, and go back to Speed Culture. Now, let's say I wanted to go to this event. I could go to the event just by, I can get directions to the event from wherever I am at right now, just by simply clicking a link. And I just click that link there, and it tells me exactly how to get to that particular location. Okay, so that's the events area. We're going to add more features, like telling people that you're at an event and different things, or notifications and stuff like that. Now, the other things that we have in the events is, let's say you're only into a certain type of car, or a certain type of event, or maybe you only want to search things that are within a certain amount of mileage from you. You can use this line with a little ball here to kind of change the mileage that you want to search on. And then it'll only show you things that are within, let's say in this case, 218 miles. And then underneath there, we have all of our categories of events that we have listed, and you can turn on and off those event types. Okay, and that's the events. I'm going to go ahead and make a different separate video for the media area, and so we'll be back.